Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming to share a Saturday morning makes with you, and let's jump right in. So I am using these Celebrate Winter enamel dots from Echo Park, using the red ones. I'm using this die from Gina Marie Designs, as well as this die. And I am using this little girl here that I got from FPA Handmade as a gift. So I thought I would pull her out and use her. And I am using, which one? Missing Your Hugs. And also the stickles here, and I can't see what color red. I think when it say Christmas red, it says. And then, as well as this yellow, these diamond dots. If you need to see the number, there it goes. And I went way back and pulled out this paper, which is from 2014, and I'm using these stripes here. I thought this paper went perfect with it. The thing about it is I colored up the girl before I actually picked the papers, and it just went so perfect together. So let me show you that card. I thought it turned out adorable. So I stickled up the shoes and her bows. And there goes those enamel dots. The diamond dots are there. The Missing Your Hugs. And there goes the Gina Marie dies there. I thought she turned out super cute. Oh, I forgot to bring out this one. This one's from CC Designs. And it's the shadow circles or something like that. Can't remember the name of it, but yeah, that's where I got that from. And then there goes the inside. Thought it turned out super cute. I just wanted to get on here and share something really quick. Oh, and I did color the hair. And I watch, I forgot his name, Timothy something. He actually designs for Annie things or something like that. And he showed how he did his technique with the coloring of the hair. And so, yeah, that's where I got that from. So I colored her hair myself, added some little cheeks. Oh, and I did use the stickles for her earrings there. And yeah, I thought it was super cute. All right, so tell me what you think. I will leave Jill Norwood's link down below. She's the one who started Saturday Morning Makes. And that's just where we come on and show you everything that we've created, either for Saturday Morning Makes or during the week. Oh, so yeah, so this is what I decided to share this week. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.